Changing your phone number on SoundCloud is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the SoundCloud app or website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account for which you want to change the phone number. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon or avatar, usually located in the top right corner. Click on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to the phone number section. In the settings menu, look for the account or profile section. Here, you should find an option related to your phone number. Click on it to proceed with the update. Step 4. Enter your new phone number. You will see your current phone number displayed. Click on the option to edit or change it, then enter your new phone number in the provided field. Make sure to double-check the number for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to save your changes. You may receive a verification code via SMS to confirm the update, so be sure to check your messages. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number on SoundCloud will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SoundCloud support for assistance.